Alright, so guys, so today we're gonna have a different kind of video, and I haven't opened this box in a long time, so like today we're gonna open the box. It's a World Heavyweight Township boat online that I bought from on the website. So let's go, guys. As you can see, like from right here, kind of right here. So they bring out the whole belt right here. Just inside the belt. If I get it. I get it. Oh. Pretty bit of a stuck in here, guys. Hold up. Wow. Oh, hold on. Oh, here it is. Oh, shit. As you can see, the wrappings on the inside the box. That's what it looks like that, the frame, the thing right there. You see the World Heavyweight Township belt. It's the belt that Seth Rollins has for right now, because he's a World Heavyweight Township belt. You need that out of the way. Looks like that too. The inside looks all like nice on the outside of the bag and all that. And then we're gonna open the box. I know. Yeah, like that. Ooh. It looks nice. And you see, it says official, authentic Replica boat. Right there. And as you guys can see, like on this side, this is what the whole boat looks like on the inside of the boat. And you guys can see the boat's pretty heavy, not gonna lie. Ooh. Ooh.
Wait, is it recording or no?
Hmm?
Is it recording or no?
Yes. See, it's the wrappings on this side. Bring it out of the way. And this is what the boat looks like from online. There's a nice a boat right here. As you can see, there's like the detail on the boat. I don't know if you guys can see, but on this side it looks like a lion. Here it's manuals, and then that. These are the side plates. The left one right here. You could like squeeze out with the scooter and put a different boat side plate. This is the whole frame right here. All that. And here's a detailed of a lion. And you can see here's a lion. And here's the other side of the side plates, like, cause you could like screw out the whole thing and put a new side plate like that and all that. And it has the design right there in the boat, just like that. And then it just looks like that. And then put it like that. Cool. Heavy. You should wear it like that, or like how other people, when they wear it at the shows, you could have it wearing like this at the boat, like that. It's very nice. Like that. And yeah, guys. So please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hopefully I may be taking this boat. Hopefully next month to WrestleMania or to any of the Raw or SmackDown shows. I hope to do WrestleMania 41 next year in Vegas. And yeah, thanks guys. Please like and subscribe.